Think you're a genius? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Who invented the first microprocessor in 1971? The answer is Ted Hoff and Stanley Mazur. What was the code name for the D-Day landings on June 6, 1944? The answer is Operation Overlord. What was the name of the cyborg in the 1984 film The Terminator? The answer is Cyberdyne Systems Model 101. Who is credited with inventing the first practical jet engine in 1930? The answer is Frank Whittle. What was the name of the Polish mathematician who helped break the Enigma code in War II?